You know, it's going to be an exciting day when we got to run 2 vacuum cleaners and an exhaust fan to work on what's going on. This wall is a cement block wall, CMUs. And it was built and they put the plumbing right into the block as they put the block up, as our only guess, 30, 40, 50 years ago, who knows at this point. And the customer took the tile off and wanted it re-tiled, but the challenge that was occurring was the tile was so, or the cement block was so wavy, it's hard to put these large format tiles on and have it be clean and have it be flat and smooth that you don't wind up with lippage. So the guys have literally been skim coating and then grinding with an angle grinder to try to get this smooth so we can finish the final wall of the shower and finish getting this together. So this has been an adventure of a project here to start off the new year. If there's something we can help solve for you, a problem we can work on with you, 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for Cope Construction and Renovation, and extension 2 for new projects. Cope Build is your full service Pennsylvania home improvement contractor, number 88078. We look forward to serving you soon. Bye for now.